Hello everyone, welcome to another video from Windowslovers.com. This is me, your host Prajwal, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install a new font on your Windows operating system. So let's get started. First, when you install a new font, you can use it on any applications within Windows. For example, you can use it on your Word, you can use it on Adobe Premiere, or basically any applications that allows you to change the font. You can change it to whatever font you've installed. Okay. Now, depending on where you download the font from, you may be or may not be available for commercial use. So please make sure you understand that and find that out before using a font if you're going to use it for non-commercial purposes. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to use Google Fonts, which is available for free, and you can download for free and use it as well. Alright, so I'm just going to go and do a Google search first, and it's usually the first link that comes up. That's fonts.google.com. So I'm going to click on that. And now you can either search for the font you're looking for. You can also look for the languages if you're looking for something in a different language as well. And what you can do is you can actually test out how it looks. For example, you're typing or you're creating a brochure, or you're creating a template on Photoshop or Word or anywhere else, and you have a specific word that you have on that file. So what I like to do is I'm just going to go and, for example, it's welcome. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to type welcome and see how it looks in different fonts. All right, and then you will find the font that looks nice and that you would like to install and use it on your project, or just basically on your Windows. So after that's done, for example, I'm just going to use Baskerville. Click on that. And there's different styles, but if you go on the top right corner, there's a button that says download family. So this will basically download all the family or all the types of fonts under Baskerville. So click on that, and as you can see, it has downloaded. It's a zip file, so you have to extract it. So I'm gonna go and click on show all. All right, so this is the font that I downloaded. What I'm gonna do now is you can do two things. The first thing what I like to do is I'll just extract it, and it will give you all the files that's inside it. All right, unless you don't want to install all the fonts, you want a specific font, what you can do is you can open the zip file, you can drag and drop just the font you're looking for. All right, and then you can just go ahead and install that. But if you're looking to install all the fonts, all right, there's two ways to do it. The first way is actually opening the font and installing it. So for example, if I go to bold, and it will open, it will show you how it looks like as well. So what you can do from this window is on the top left corner screen, there's an install button. If you click on install, and this will install the font for you. Okay, so now if you go and look for another font, so this method is basically if you want to go and see how the fonts look before you go and install it. All right, so this one will install it. You can also right click and install the fonts. Okay, the same thing. So now if you have more than 5 fonts, or if you have 10, 20 fonts that would like to install, so installing it one by one, it will take you forever. So what you want to do in that case is hit Windows and R. So that's basically brings up your run, or you can just go to start and you can type in run. Okay, and then you open run, or just press Windows and R, it brings up run. What you want to type is you want to type in fonts, F-O-N-T-S, hit enter, and this will open the Windows fonts folder. Okay, so now basically whatever font you drag and drop into this folder will be installed on your Windows, and you will be able to use it in all the applications. So what I will do is I'll just select the fonts I would like to install. I'll drag them here, and you'll say this is it's already installed because I just installed it before. I'm just going to click on yes, and it's installing 2 or 3 fonts. So out of 3 fonts, 1 was installed, and it's installed the rest of the 2 fonts that was left. All right, so that's basically it. That's how you install fonts on Windows 10. The only thing you got to make sure is if you're using any of these fonts for your projects, please make sure that you don't use any fonts that is not allowed for commercial use without purchasing a license. All right, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tutorials. Leave a comment if you have any issues, and I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Thank you, and you have a nice day.